back, everybody. My name is Bob Rafferty, and I am continuing with our little tutorials on ChatGPT and showing you guys how you can do certain things. In the last video, we started a children's book about a bear getting lost while hiking a mountain. So today, we're going to ask ChatGPT how we can go about marketing that children's book and see what we can get for some ideas. So let's get started here. Um, let's see. Give me some marketing strategies for children's book. Marketing children's book, especially one with an educational tone, requires a strategic approach to reach both parents and educators. Here are some marketing strategies for your book. Leverage social media. That's definitely something I'd be doing. It says create Instagram and Facebook page dedicated to your book. Share behind the scenes content, sneak peeks and insights into your writing process. Use hashtags related to parenting, education, and books. Host giveaways or contests to build engagement. Number 2, target educators and schools. That's certainly a good thing to do, especially in the local community here. Once you get it out to the local schools, you can probably start trying to get it out into more remote schools. Collaborate with parenting and book blogs. Host book readings. That's a great idea at libraries and schools and bookstores. Create a website and a blog. Use Amazon and Goodreads. Says use Goodreads to connect with readers. Host giveaways and gather reviews. Not sure what Goodreads is, but it gives me an idea of something to look into. Utilize book fairs and conferences. Partner with nonprofits or nature organizations. So I'm going to ask it to give me a little bit more detail on how we can leverage social media. So let's see. Give me some more details on how I can leverage social media. Leveraging social media for your children's book can be very effective if done strategically. Here are some detailed ways to use social media platforms to promote your book. Build a strong visual presence. Instagram, this platform is perfect for visually driven content. Share colorful images of your book's illustrations, snippets from the stories, or even sketches of your character designs. You could create posts like character spotlights or fun facts. Use hashtags. Popular hashtags like children's books, kids book authors, story time. Pinterest is another good one. That's something I wouldn't have thought about. Engage with parents and teachers in libraries. So you're gonna have to start networking, do some networking, and talk to some people. Create interactive content, polls and quizzes, user-generated content, interactive read-alongs, content marketing and storytelling, teachers and countdown posts, build anticipation for the book's release, collaborate with influencers and bloggers, run paid ads, that's a good one too, and then cross promotions with similar authors. So there's some key things that we could kind of focus on. Let's see. Let's ask it for some details on how to go about using Amazon and Goodreads. Give me detailed instructions on how to market on Amazon and Goodreads. Tells us. Pop down to the bottom. So here, marketing your book on Amazon, optimize your Amazon book listing. Book title and subtitle, ensure the title and subtitle are clear, descriptive, and contain relevant keywords. For example, if your book is about a bear lost in the woods, include keywords like children's adventure book or hiking for kids. Book description, Write a compelling description that highlights the story's main themes, target age group, and education value. Use HTML formatting to make it easy to read, bold bullet points, and break into digestible sections. Include relevant keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. Um, Example: follow a curious bear on an adventure through the wilderness, learning about the great outdoors and survival skills. Perfect for kids ages 4 to 8. Amazon allows you to add up to 7 keywords. Use specific phrases that target your audience might search. Use specific phrases that your target audience might search for, such as children's nature book, hiking adventure, or outdoor adventure for kids. Categories. Um, you choose relevant categories to help your book appear in the right searches. For a children's book, you might choose categories like children's adventure books or children's nature books. Let's see what else. Use Amazon's marketing tools. Amazon Author Central, that's a good thing. Kindle Direct Publishing. Um, Amazon ads. We could run Amazon ads about our children's book. Um, Encourage reviews. So after the purchase, Amazon allows authors to send follow-up emails via KDP asking readers to leave a review. Don't be pushy, but politely encourage reviews, especially if a reader has left positive feedback somewhere else. Let's see. Promotions, discount, Amazon countdown deals. So then let's jump down to Goodreads. Goodreads, create an author profile. List your book on Goodreads, get reviews, engage with Goodreads groups. So it gives us a detailed, uh, you know, rundown of what we should try here. So I'm just going to search for Goodreads. I've never seen this before, but it looks like, let's see, Goodreads, deciding what to read next. So yeah, I would sign up for a membership here. I'd check it out, see what I had to do about getting my book on here. Um, it looks like this might be on. No, maybe it's not. Just wondering. It looks similar to Amazon at the top, and it says continue with Amazon, but it also says continue with Apple. So, um, anyhow, it gives me some avenues to explore. Let's see what else. Let's go back to Amazon Goodreads. Utilize book fairs and conferences. Um, so this gives us a bunch of information on how we can go about using social media to market our book. I would probably focus strongly on the social media. I would focus strongly on the using Amazon and Goodreads. Um, and then I do those two first, I think, and then I'd go back to some of these other ideas as far as targeting educators and schools, collaborating with parenting and book blogs. Those other things would probably be secondary, but the primaries would be use Amazon, Goodreads, and leveraging social media. Those would be the first things I'd do. So I'm going to ask it down here. Give me step by step instructions on what I should do to leverage social media, specifically Facebook and Instagram. See what it tells me. Create a Facebook author page. So it's going to tell me how to create a page for my book. Enter your author name, select author on the category, upload a professional profile picture, fill out. So this is going to give me step by step of what I need to do here. Join relevant Facebook groups. This is fantastic. Search for parenting, children's books, and homeschooling groups on Facebook. Join the groups with a high engagement rate and members who are likely interested in your book. Participate in discussions, share helpful tips. Introduce your book naturally. Don't be too promotional. Offer value by sharing educational content related to the themes of your book. Post in the group about your book, providing a brief description of why it's relevant to the group's interests. That's great. That's a great idea. Um, Post engaging content regularly. Post 3 to 4 times a week to stay visible in your audience. Um, Host Facebook events and live sessions. Run Facebook ads on Instagram. Set up a professional Instagram account. Create and share engaging content. Use hashtags strategically. Collaborate with influencers. So this just gives us a bunch of great ideas, things that we could try. If we're not sure how to go about doing a particular thing, we can always ask ChatGPT to explain step by step how to do that particular thing. So this just gives us a really good idea how we might go about marketing um, our children's book and getting it recognized out there. So that's about it. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please put them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and tell all your friends and families about this my channel. And other than that, I will talk with you later.